Alright guys, welcome back. This is the token trackers, and here we are discussing about the YE blockchain. So we are going to be looking at one latest update that is about it, that I discovered that so many people are not getting it right. So I want to pinpoint your attention to it, and also to still ring it to those who have not yet joined this project. Please don't make the mistake of fading this project just to discover that a lot of people are booking profit at the end of the day. Because just like I introduced VERYCHAT, so many people took it for granted, and right now they are seeing how much people are already making from it, and they are now running to join when the hiving has already been cut down. So the hiving has already gone deep in such a way that to mine now is very, very difficult. So once you see a project like this, join very, very early, and then maximize all the potentials, all the earning opportunities while the earning rate is still high, so that you can earn as much as possible. So we're going to be looking at that in this video. But before we go into that, if you are new or if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So first of all, if you come in, if you just click the app like this, whether you are from Nigeria, you are from Ghana, you are from Cameroon, you are from whatever part of Africa, you will discover that you will definitely have a little issue with it. And what is that issue? You are going to discover that you will be locked out. Now if you look at the airdrop and cryptocurrency right now, you will discover that Africa is like the hope of cryptocurrency right now. Whether we like it or not, Africa is like the center of cryptocurrency right now, according to user base, according to the number of people that are triggering it, especially Nigeria. So you can't talk about cryptocurrency without mentioning Nigeria, at least amongst the top 4 countries in the world. This is not bragging, but that is what it is. Also, unfortunately, the projects are already beginning to play that against the Nigerians, against us, and we are still always going to find a way. We'll always get a way around it. Now if you look at it, you are going to see that you are going to get like this, and you are locked out. So if you try to insert your email and your password, that is your login information, you discover that you will not still be able to log in. So what do you need to do? What you need to do is head over to your Google Play Store or your App Store, so that you download any VPN, then come back, launch the app like this. So once you launch it, it is going to come over like this. So you can go ahead, insert your email, insert your password, and then try it. So let's go. You're going to see that you successfully log in. So you can see we have now gotten to the mining interface right now, so you can be able to go ahead and mine. So before I decided to make this video, I started noticing it, and I had to ask on my Telegram channel, is anybody experiencing something like this, like having issues with logging in? So people commented, so I decided to now make this particular video. So for those of you who have joined and are having this issue, this is how to resolve it. And for those of you who have not started mining, like I said, the link is in the comment section and also in the description section. You need to join now and start participating immediately. So the mining is very easy. You have to just be coming here every 24 hours and then you claim. So once you claim, you go offline, and then it mines again for like that, just like the Pi network. You already know now. Pi, just click once a day, then you go off. And like I said, remember what I shared in my video yesterday about how to book profit. When you join a project like this, the first way of booking profit is that you need to maximize all the earning opportunities at the start. When you just join the project, maximize every opportunity you can to earn as much as you can, so that, and then once you earn it, the next thing, once they start their KYC, start positioning for the KYC, so that as soon as they verify you with the KYC, you are good to go to black market, you are good to go to P2P market and sell it. Book some profit first before waiting for their listing announcement and whatever thing it may be. So that's it, guys. So I'm going to drop the link in the comment section of this video, and if you are new to this channel, please kindly hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell, so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.